Tita! Sige, tama na sa bite.
Very bad children. Very bad. Mas maasim ka pa sa sangsang cage. Dahil hindi ka pala umuulo at sa kasino ka na nakatira.
Yung personal belongings sa office mo. Dahil hindi ka na babalik dito.
Mga pulis, bantayan nila mabuti ang bantarang bulan ito at baka kung ano pang maharbat niya sa loob.
Sandali! Sandali ako niya ko! Pwede na, ha? I can have a headset for you!
Concentration mode on highest level! What you have done for me? Wala kang ibang ginawa kundi maliitin ako, utos-utusan ako, at ituring ako na parang walang sariling utak. Once, pagmasdan mo ang mukha. Dahil ito na ang bagong mukha ng manager ng restaurant ito. For the last time, it's Cheetah.
Open? Look up.
You got her well.
Airbrush na oh. Ang kinis niya oh.
Words can hurt. Words can scar you for life. Kaya naman panahon na para palawakin ninyo ang
Ket-ket.
Out of place naman rito. Ang babait ng mga tao.
O, tingin dito ah! Tingin sa kaliwa.
Kaliwa.
Kanan. Sa bumubulwa. O, tingin sa kle. O, tingin na ulit dito. Bye! Tingin dito. Tagal pa sa salamin mo. Sige. Okay, tama na. Bye!
Thanks. Kind of crazy about it.
I've never met a 10-year-old.
Loyalty and trust. Would you say those are qualities that you possess? Ms. Byrne agrees. And she's urging you to consider it.
We have no idea where we can launch this information because you're asking. By the way, you forgot your subsequent number.
Byrne becomes president of our program and trained for a year as a foster advisor. Rather extraordinary people or program understaffing, we decided to accelerate your application. With the proviso, of course, that you count the time to retain and you fulfill each requirement for every station. So, you see this as sort of sometimes in life that's one door, it opens a window. Let's go.
I'm telling you, busted. No, you are. You know what? You have no right. What are you talking about? You filled out an application for me? Looking good, yeah. You know what you've done? Did you a favor? No, if you want to do me a favor, you mind your freaking business once in a while. The truth is, you're going to ask about it. What I did, you got accelerated this morning under the court with the building. And personnel. Yes,
Bigat. Bigat, bigat. Ala, 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 ala. O, tingin dito ah. Sa kaliwa. Kanan. Tingin pa ikot-ikot. Wow, wow, wow. O, sige na, bye.